Here we're doing BEMDAS of fractions. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start off with number 8. 8 says a half plus a quarter divided by 2/3. What you have to do first is multiplication over addition. So what we're going to, or division above addition. So we're going to do the division first. Turn the second fraction upside down. We're going to get a half plus a quarter multiplied by 3 over 2. When we multiply by 3 over 2, we're going to get a half plus 3 by 1 is 3, 2 by 4 is 8. We're going to get a half plus 3/8. We now need a lowest common denominator because we are adding fractions. Put a 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top. We'll get 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8. When we add them together, we're going to get 7 over 8. How many people in the class got that one correct? Okay, good portion of you, well done. Now, we're on question number 10. Now, number 10, okay, number 10 is the following question, okay? We have to do what's in the brackets first, because brackets comes before division. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them into top heavy fractions. Stephen, what's 4 2/3 in top heavy?
12 and then plus 2. Plus 2 and 14 over 3.
14 over 3. Stephen got that by multiplying 4, but 3 and adding on is 2. 14 over 3. What about the second one, Stephen? 11 over 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 over 4. Now, Connor, what do you have to do next?
You have to change them into equivalent fractions.
Equivalent fractions, so how do you do that?
You multiply 11 over 4 by 3 and you get 33 over 12, and you multiply 14 over 3 by 4 and you get
56 over 12. Well done. What Connor was saying there is you need to get the lowest common denominator between 3 and 4. The word he used was equivalent fractions, which means they're pretty much the same denominator. So then what we did was we're going to get 56 over 12 minus 33 over 12. And then when we take them away, we should get
23 over 12.
23 over 12. And this is the answer for question 10. Okay.
So wait, you have to divide by 1.
Oh, yes. Now, we also have to divide our answer by 1 and 8/15. What's 1 and 8/15 in top heavy fractions?
22 over 15. 23.
23 over 15. Now we're going to divide it by 23 over 15. Now, when we divide by 23 over 15, what do we have to do with the 23 over 15? Flip it upside down. And we're going to get 15 over 23 multiplied by 23 over 12. Now, what can you tell me about those 23s, Harry?
You can change them both into 1.
23 divided by 23 is 1. Can anybody tell me what's 15 divided by 12 then?
1.
Harry?
Well, you can change 12 into 4 and 15 into 5.
You did that by dividing the top and bottom by 3. And you get 5 over 4. How many people in the class got 5 over 4? Okay, that's a tough question, so that's well done. Now, next one we have to do is number 11. Shh. Okay, number 11, guys, okay? Now, for number 11, what we're going to do is we have 3/4 multiplied by 1 and 1/5 divided by 3 and 3/5. Orson, what comes first?
The brackets.
The brackets, okay. So 3 and 3/5. So what you need to change first?
You need to put them into top heavy fractions.
Put them into top heavy fractions, okay. And what happens when we put them into top heavy fractions?
What happens?
What? Give me the answer for the top heavy fractions.
Oh, well, that's 9 over 8.
5 by 1.
Oh, it's 5, sorry.
Yeah, 6 over 5. Perfect.
And then that's 18 over 5.
18 over 5. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 3, 5. Well done. What you do now, Orson?
Now flip it upside down.
Turn it upside down because it's been multiplied. Well done. And what can you do now?
Now you can cross out the 5 and 5.
Cross out 5 and 5. And what about the 6 and the 8 then?
6 over 1 is 19 go 3 times.
Okay, so now we have 3/4 multiplied by 1/3. What crosses off now?
The third comes up.
And the answer is?
1 over 4.
1 over 4 is what the answer is. Okay guys, who got 1 over 4 for that one? Well done. This one's number 11. Quarter for number 11. Yeah, but 3 over 12 won't get you full marks. That's okay. Alright. Connor, would you be so kind as to help me out with number 13 please?
Yes, sir. So you start with 2.5 minus 1 and 3/4.
And how what did you change that into?
You change it into top out.
And what you get?
You get 5 over 2 and 7 over 4.
Okay, Garrett, what you do next? That's where we are. Okay, so yes.
You make them equivalent fractions.
You make them into equivalent fractions, and how would you do that?
You multiply the 2 by 2 on the top and bottom.
Top and bottom by 2. And what we're going to get is 10 over 4 minus.
7 over 4.
And we get 3 over 4, 3/4. So this part here turns into 3/4. Now the next one we have to do next is 1 1/4, which changes into, yeah, Luke.
5 over 4.
5 over 4. And what about the next part, 1 1/8?
9 over 8.
And then what do we need to change 5 over 4 into?
You have to change them into, you have to change them into 8.
Which is?
Multiplied by 2, you get 10 over 8.
10 over 8 minus 9 over 8?
1/8.
1/8. Now, after we've done all this work, and it is a couple of lines of work, what you're going to get next is you're going to get the fact that it's 3/4 minus 1/8. That's what your question, 3/4 divided by 1/8. That's what your question has now become. 3/4 divided by 1/8. And what you get now, Luke?
You have to flip the 1/8.
Turn it upside down and we get multiply by
8 over 1.
8 over 1.
And then you can control C4.
Okay, so the 8 divides into the 4, how many, or 4 divides into 8 how many times?
2 twice.
And what's the answer? 2 multiplied by 3?
6 over.
6 over 1, which is the number 6. Who got 6 for that one?
Yes.
Well done. 6 over 1's okay, but you generally change 6 over 1 into 6. Last one of the day, 14. Okay. Stephen, call out 14 for me there.
4 times.
Yeah.
Bracket 3.
Yeah, 3/4.
3/4 times 2
thirds.
plus 5/8 bracket.
Okay. What do we have to start off with first, Stephen?
3, 4, 3/4 and multiplied by 2.
Okay, within the brackets, multiplication comes before addition. So you're going to multiply 3/4 by 2/3. What do you get?
9 over 8.
Now, 3/4 multiplied by 2/3 will be 6 over 12, which is a half. So just look at the board. 3 cancels with 3. 2 divides into 2 once and divides into 4 twice. So we're going to have 4/9 and a half plus 5/8. Now we got to decide what to do with the half. What do we need to do with the half, Sean?
You have to the half. Oh, you have to. Oh.
It's being added to 5/8.
Oh, sorry. You have to put it in the equivalent bracket.
And what equivalent fraction would that be?
2 by 4. So.
Multiply by 4s to get 8s. And what are we going to get then?
4 8.
4/8 plus 5/8, right?
Yeah.
Plus 5/8. And what do we get? 9/8. Okay. So we're going to get 4/9 multiplied by 9/8. We're very close to the end. Luca, finish it off.
Multiply 4/9 by 9/8 and then 9 plus 0.
And 4 divided by 8.
Half, or 4/8 and then a half.
4/8, which is a half. Okay, well done, guys.
What does correct answer?